Hi, in this video we will see some of the additional feature of map layout or map composer. Let's take an example. Uh, let's say that I want to draw a map indicating my project site or district of my research, and let's say I am doing a research in a Betul district of Madhya Pradesh. So I want to prepare a map for an international audience indicating where the Betul district is located in India. So if I want to do this, then I need to draw a couple of maps. First I need to show the where the India is, then I need to show where in India Madhya Pradesh is located and where in Madhya Pradesh the Betul district is located. You must have seen such a kind of maps frequently in the research papers, academia, or at other websites also. First, see how to do that. So I want to create a shapefile for the Betul because that is the area of my interest, and since I want to indicate it with a different color, I need to have a separate shapefile of it. So let's do it first. So I know my where the Betul district is located. This is the Betul district, so I have selected this, and then I will do what I will do. I will export it as another shapefile. Save selected feature as. So this is already click, so I will store it. For example, let's me store it as a Betul MP. Save. I'm not changing anything else. I'm clicking OK. So the Betul MP layer is already over here. Now let's go to the composer and let's initiate the drawing process. So I want the main map will be the map of Madhya Pradesh with the map of Betul. So let's do that first. So I will open a composer. You can open a composer from over here by new print layout. So I have already opened it. Let's go over here. Okay, so I want main map is the map of Madhya Pradesh, and I do not want to show the districts, rather I want to show the map of uh, Madhya Pradesh as a border alone. So I will do this first, and in this map I do not want, let us say, this map. I just want only map of Madhya Pradesh. So what I will do, I will zoom this map, so zoom to layer. Okay, then I will go to the map composer and then I will draw a box. Then automatically it will fetch a map from there. Okay, then I will select this and I will move the map content. Since I know that I have to create another maps, those are also called the inset map over here, I need some space over here. So I will adjust my map content by scrolling. I am zooming out and I will ensure that I have adequate space over here. So this is the map of Madhya Pradesh, this is the map of Betul, and so on. So I also can add quickly a scale bar. Okay, I can also add a frame over here right now. Okay, frame is there. I can add north arrow. It will take some time. Yeah, so these are over here. I'm selecting this as north arrow. Okay, now I have to draw another map. So what I can do, the way I have drawn this map, I can draw another map of India showing its location on a global map. So what I will do, I will add a map. I want to add a map of India and I want to show on its global location. Okay, so let's me do it first over here, zoom to layer. So I want to show this over here, but while showing the map of India I do not want to show MP because that won't look uh, clearly, it will clutter. Let's see how it will look like. So I want to first make an inset map showing the where India is located in the uh, South Asia. So I will draw another map over here. The procedure is the same. I will draw another map. Okay, so now but you can see there's so much cluttering is over there. So what I will do, I will remove the MP, I will remove the Betul, I will remove the districts, I will just keep map of India. Okay, now if you want to bring those changes whichever done over there on this canvas, you have to click refresh. But now see what has happened. So earlier map has gone, because when you the moment you press refresh, it will fetch whatever is there over here. So it has fetched this map correctly, but there is no longer a MP map which was earlier there. So what you need to do, let's see it carefully. So I will go back again, I will bring my first MP map again. I want a MP map of MP with a Betul district. Okay, I will zoom to layer. Okay, then I will again refresh it. Okay, so the changes there are changes in both the map, in inset map as well as in main map. But this is what I want it in the main map. So what I will do, I will freeze this map. So how to do that? So I will freeze this map by say lock layers over here. So this map is freeze. Okay, we can also change the visibility, but it's fine. So this map is freeze. So now let's about this map. First let's add a frame to this map. Now you can see this lock layer, this layer is not freeze, but this layer has freeze. You can see changes over here. I have selected the bigger map, so the layer is a freeze, but in case of this inset map, the layer is not freezed. So what I will do, I will first add a frame to this map. Okay, now there is a frame over here, and now I will again adjust a view which I want in this frame. So I will adjust a view over here. I will bring this country shape file, I will zoom into the India map, and I will remove the Betul, I will remove MP. So this is what I want in an inset map. Okay, I will refresh it. Now you can see this has not changed, because in this case we have freeze this layer or lock this layer, but this has changed. So my first layer is ready, so I can move the content anywhere, but I cannot move the larger frame, because I cannot move the content of the larger frame because it got freeze. But I can also freeze this frame by clocking over here. So now I cannot move anything, now neither this content neither this frame, but definitely I can move this. I can also adjust this content. Okay, or so this is the first inset map. Now in a second inset map, I want to show the location of MP as a state in the map of India. So I will, before adding another inset map, let me freeze this layer. So I have locked this layer, and I have also locked, this is a map 2. So once I select this, it is get highlighted. So this is the map 2. I have also locked this layer, so I cannot now move this layer nor this layer. So this is the map 1, as you can see over here, and this is the map 2. Now I will add one more layer, one more map. So in this map I want to show only the MP in the map of India. So this is the view I want. So what I will do, I will draw another map. The procedure is the same. Okay, I will draw another map, another inset map. Okay, it only indicates the map of India with the map of MP. Now I can have a frame for that map. Okay, now there's a frame. Okay, so now I can see Now I can easily guide the international audience towards the map of Betul district. But need to ensure that while using your inset map, there should be connection between these two maps, and do not change the color. If the color of India polygon is shown with the same with certain color, use the same color in the successive map, so that viewer can relate. Okay, this is the India, and this is MP, and this is the Betul. Okay, so similarly I can add then the legend over here, and I can then modify those legend. We have learned that how to modify these legends. For example, I will say this is the I will uncheck this. Then I will say instead of country I will say this is a world, because that's the world map. This is India. Then I will say this is the MP. Okay, I don't need this again. I will remove this, and I need to show the Betul. And I also want in a certain order, I want word to be up, so I can use these options to move the option of word up, word, then India. Let's bring India bottom, then the Madhya Pradesh, and then the Betul. I can adjust font and all these things over here. We have already learned in another video. I can also give a text box over here. I can add the content map of Betul district, or this is since the larger map is a Madhya Pradesh, I can say Madhya Pradesh, whatever you want. Okay, I can change the font to, let's say, bold. Okay, so in this video we have learned how to draw a inset map, and rest of the things we have already learned. There's one more thing I want to tell you about the scale. Now let's select this scale. Okay, now here you can see it is asking about the which map. So if the question, so since this is a bigger map, so this scale is applicable for this bigger map, map 1, and in this case my map 1 is MP. I can view it over here. I am just making it invisible, so this map is gone. So this is the map 1. So you need to just ensure that when you select a scale, ensure that the map is appropriate map is selected. If I select the map 3 or map 2, then my scale will be like this. For example, since it's not visible now, you will realize it why. Okay, okay, yeah. So now you can see this is the scale, and definitely, so this one segment is 3000 kilometer. Definitely this length is not a 3000 kilometer for this map, so we have chosen a scale of this map. Therefore you can see when I select the scale, it's saying the map 3, and map 3 is nothing but this is, since it is highlighted, map 3 is the map of India. If I choose a different map 2, then this scale will be further bigger. So the one segment is a 6000 kilometers. So this is the map for, this is the scale for this map, which is the map of world. So just ensure that when you are drawing a scale, select appropriate map. Sometimes I have seen the maps where students have drawn the map like map of a district and scale is so huge, so it means scale is of a different map has been selected. So let's me go back to the map one. So this is the appropriate scale. So this is one segment is 200 kilometer. Okay, so carefully explore all the options available over here. It will help you a lot. Thank you.